Hey people, well, a lot of people wanted to see this fan in video. Well, here it is. This is a 1950s Sears Homart box fan. And before anyone asks, yeah, this is the front. Or this is actually the front. I mean, most of these Homart box fans had the motor in the front. Well, Homart and Kenmore. They did make Kenmore branded ones at the time. But it's only during the early years that they sold them under the Homart brand. This is a 2-speed reversible with a timer. The timer on this goes by the hours. And since this is the front, I'll go ahead and take a view at the motor. This motor is by Universal Electric Corporation. Although this is supposed to be like somewhat of a top-of-the-line box fan, this is another low amperage motor at only 1.5 amps. Now, the power between this and the Air King is kind of questionable. The Air King does feel a bit more powerful because it has a 2.8 amp motor. Yet this one does have a venturi around the blades, and the blades do have a steeper pitch, so it's hard to tell between those two. I'm going to go ahead and show you the controls. Here's the speed selector, 2 speeds for in and 2 speeds for out, or exhaust. And there's the timer. It's a 10-hour timer. I got it set somewhere in the middle so I can later show you that that works. It probably runs when the fan's on. And it has a suitcase style handle. There's one side. Got a bit of paint nicks here and there. The other side. Oh, and mind you, the grills are pretty rusty too. This one's supposed to have a badge in the center of it, but it must have gotten lost at some point. But my friend Miles Gifford has got a badge for me, so pretty soon this grill will have a badge. And I'll turn it around and show you what is actually the back, which is the front on most fans. Yeah, as I said, this is actually the back. And this and the grill on this one does have the badge in the center. As you can see, it's got those big metal blades. And the hub kind of almost looks like a McGraw Edison style hub, but the pattern on there is kind of slightly wider than, or the lines on the hub are kind of slightly wider than a McGraw Edison hub. Talking about the indentations or whatever they are. And as you can see, it's got the venturi ring. I think Sears mainly built these fans to work as exhaust fans, which they're probably best at. Which is probably how the blades are designed on this thing. Turn it back around and given operation. Turn it back to the front side so we can do intake. And this starts off on low, then goes to high, so start off with low on intake. Oh, a bit of a bearing rattle. It does blow some air this direction, but it blows much better the other way. And even on low, it's putting out a nice gentle breeze. And now we'll go up to high. Probably powerful this direction when we're up close. Not so far away. And I'm going to show you that this does indeed work. You know, this is where it shuts off. And it does have a continuous mode. I think and we'll put it there the rest of the way. And we'll shut it off, get the spin down. And it has decent coast down time. Actually, pretty good coast down time. And now we'll turn the fan around and blow the air out the other direction. I forgot to note, this is currently the only electrically reversible box fan in my entire collection. Okay, now we'll start off on low on out or exhaust. Yeah, it's more powerful out this direction. Probably just because it's facing the front of the blade. Once again, this is low and it's still putting out a gentle breeze. And now to high. Oh yeah, this thing throws out great air. Even with a low amperage motor, this thing really throws out the breeze. Probably due to the steep pitch of the blades in the Venturi. And now we'll shut her off. Leave me alone, I'm doing a video. And there you have it. This is my 1950s Sears Homart box fan. Thank you for watching.